Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix your PS5 install DLC and add-ons not in-game. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So let's say you have your DLC and your add-ons installed, but they're not in the game. How would you go ahead and get this to work? Well, this is very easy to do. So I'm on the home screen of the PlayStation 5, and let's say I'm having an issue with the add-ons for Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. What would I have to do to get the DLC to work? So go over the game, press Options, and then go down to Manage Game Content. Now under this screen, I can see all my installed data. So my add-ons, my multiplayer, my zombies, my dead ops. So if I scroll down under add-ons, I can see my campaign packs I can install. So all I have to do is go to the install button to the right of it, and that is going to process and install on my PS5. And I even have language data down here. So let's say we're having an issue with Dead Ops Arcade not showing up in the game. All I would have to do is go over to the right, hit delete, and go to delete, and get it off of my PlayStation 5. And then I'm going to simply reinstall it back onto my PS5 by hitting the download button. Now if I hit the PlayStation button, it's going to show up under my download/upload section. So here it is. So if you are having an issue with your game data or your add-ons not being in the game, go to Manage Game Content and just re-download the DLC back onto your PS5 and see if that fixes your issue. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.